In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create embedded newsletter sign-up forms with Mailerlite. Whether you're a small business owner or a content creator seeking to engage your audience, an accessible sign-up form can be a game changer. Let's walk through the process together to make this tool work for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Mailerlite website where you'll find the option to craft effective email campaigns. Once there, click on the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. For a streamlined access, choose Sign In with Google. It's a quick method ensuring you don't have to remember yet another password, which is always a welcome relief. After logging in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. Here, scan for the Forms tab, an essential hub for setting up your sign-up form. Upon clicking it, you'll see the option to create form. This option allows you to start defining how your newsletter sign-up form will work. Among the options, choose Embedded Form. This choice is paramount if your goal is to seamlessly integrate the sign-up process directly onto your website. Give your form a unique name, something that's easy for you to remember and corresponds to its purpose. Don't forget to click Save and Continue, cementing the changes and moving you along in the setup journey. The next step requires you to determine which group will receive the emails collected from this form. Select the appropriate group to ensure the right audience engages with the right content. Once selected, simply click Continue to proceed. Now let's personalize your form to align with your brand. Edit the background to reflect your style, whether through colors, patterns, or images. Next, customize the form itself. This involves tailoring elements such as the fields and labels to suit your audience's preferences. Also, refine the content style. Think about fonts, sizes, and text alignment. This attention to detail can significantly impact the user experience and encourage sign-ups. Additionally, pay heed to editing the form elements. Factor in what specific subscriber information you wish to collect and how these fields are presented. Editing the button is crucial as well. A compelling call to action combined with an eye-catching button color can drive better engagement. When you're satisfied with your design and layout, click Done Editing. This action saves your design and preps your form for live use. Finally, your setup concludes as you view the option to embed form into your website. Copy the provided embedding code and place it on your website where it will attract the most attention from your visitors. By following these steps, you'll have an appealing and functional sign-up form ready to turn visitors into subscribers. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to expand your audience effectively with Mailerlite.